If you want to set up Smart Connect on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then first of all we need to open the settings. Now once you open settings, then in here we're gonna go to connected devices, and then here we should be able to find Smart Connect. Usually if you go here for the first time, you will have some of the introduction prompts, some instructions, etc., maybe some tips. Usually you can just tap on the arrow that you will see in the bottom right corner in order to go through all of that information. Sometimes you can also skip by using the skip option in the upper left corner. Now once you can see get started over here, you can just tap at a device over here, or you can use this plus in the upper right corner. And also you might be suggested to use Lenovo ID account or Moto account, but there is also an option to not log in or to not use any account. I'm pretty sure like at the bottom of the screen you will have the option to just skip the logging process. It is not necessary to have any of these accounts to be able to use Smart Connect, although of course it is apparently recommended to do so. But once you have this list of all of these different options, then of course you should be able to set up either your PC, your tablet, your smart TV, your watch, buds, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, we can choose any of these devices depending what you want to connect. So let's say I'm gonna choose display, and then over here we should be able to connect to our display without any issues whatsoever. If you have like a tablet, then of course we should be able to go to tablet. You want to make sure that your tablet has the Smart Connect app as well. We even have the instructions to go to the Play Store and get the app. Now if you do have it, then of course we can continue pairing, and then you should be able to scan the QR code in order to pair both devices together. And this is pretty much the same case for almost all of these devices. You have to get the Smart Connect app on that other device as well if that device does not have it, and then you should be able to pair. Just simply follow the instructions that you will see on the screen. And there is also the option to just immediately scan the QR code. So of course if you already have the option to scan the QR code inside or from that device to start pairing using the Smart Connect, then of course you can just skip the selection over here and just get the QR code and scan it. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.